I feel Sambhaji Raje has been shown in a very negative light, especially in the recent past, because I remember reading this one book. It's a very popular book which came out recently, and the writer is a very popularly known Marathi journalist, and he has mentioned that Sambhaji
I know the
Maharaj.
book. Yeah,
Yeah,
I know the
so
book.
he mentioned that Sambhaji
So,
Maharaj killed his own ministers. He went on to rape women, and he was on substance abuse. So I want to know from you, what is the reality?
yeah. So I thought like you before, But then I started reading seriously about Sambhaji Raje.
Yeah.
As I told you, a correspondence is the best way to understand what was really happening in that era. And then comes after correspondence comes the travelogue. Travelogue, people traveling and writing.
Right.
Why would they write false things?
Right.
Okay. Then comes history written on copper plates.
Correct.
And then comes Bakhar. Okay. So first Bakhar on
Man, before you move on, can you explain what is Bakhar?
Bakhar is the contemporary people that time. They write in that language,
Okay,
and there are no reference. Bakhar is always, it's very interesting question you ask. Bakhar is always commissioned. Okay, if I'm working, you are the emperor and I'm working for you, you say, Medhaji, I pay you this much, you write the Bakhar. So what will be my first reaction? I will write good about you.
Yeah.
I'm getting money. I'm getting paid. And Bakhar is not, it does not have references at the end. No bibliography.
Yeah.
So what the Bakhar maker thinks, he writes. So first Bakhar on Maratha Empire, Marathe Shahi, what you call, was written in 1697. First Bakhar was written on him. Sabhasad. His name is Sabhasad.
Okay. Yeah.
So he didn't write anything bad about Sambhaji Raje. He wrote the Bakhar, but it was praising Raja Ram because Raja Ram, the younger brother of Sambhaji Raje, had commissioned it.
Okay.
See?
Yeah, got it.
And then after 100 years, one Malhar Chitnis, whose great-great-grandfather Balaji Auji were executed for by Sambhaji because he wanted to oust Sambhaji Raja. Now suppose somebody wants to kill you, you are going to kill me. Suppose I come running with a knife.
Exactly. And that too twice, right?
Twice, he gave. Yeah. So his great-great-great-grandson was this Malhar Chitnis.
Okay.
So after 100 years, without any references, he writes about a woman.
Got it.
I don't know where that Godavari name comes from. He says someday some women came to Raigad.
Wow.
So this is incorrect.
Right.
So it is so funny, and some days some women came to Raigad. And if you read this book, he was hardly in Raigad.
Correct.
Their capital. After when Chhatrapati Shivaji goes for southern campaign, Shambhu Raje goes to his wife's place in Shringarpur to look after the Subha of Ratnagiri. Right? So he was never there. So this itself and the entire many fiction writers took this as as a main reference and wrote fictitious stories on real history, and that became a real history.
Correct.
There was a movie called Manjula or Kamla, I don't know what. There they say Sambhaji Raje molested her at Panhala. Okay, Panhala. And there is a tomb or a samadhi of that. उधर एक समाधि है बोलते हैं, उधर एक समाधि है. तो जब उन्होंने रिसर्च किया वो समाधि के मटेरियल का, वो जो मटेरियल अवेलेबल था वो संभाजी राजे मरने के बाद 100 years later, so it was the tomb of somebody from Peshwa time, you see.
Oh wow.
So it was all rubbish they wrote.
Correct.